Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well today. Today's recipe is msemen prepared in a very easy way, perfect for Ramadan. Many people enjoy msemen often, so I decided to share this simple method with you. Here I have 1 kilogram of fine white flour. I removed 4 small tablespoons from this flour and set them aside. For the additions, I add 1 small spoon of salt according to taste. I also add 1 level teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now I add all these ingredients together. I mix everything well like this. Here I'd have 700 milliliters of warm water. I start adding the water gradually. I check how much water the dough absorbs because it can vary. This always depends on the type of flour. In my case, I added another 50 milliliters of water. Sometimes it reaches about 800 milliliters in total. That amount works well here. I lightly moisten the dough and bring it together without kneading. I simply gather the dough without adding anything else. Then I cover the dough with plastic wrap. The dough should not be hard or too soft. It should be smooth and not sticky at the same time. As you can see, the dough is only gathered and not kneaded. I lightly brush the surface with a little oil. This is just a light coating. It prevents the plastic wrap from sticking to the dough. I cover it completely with plastic wrap. This helps protect the dough from air exposure. Covering it also helps the dough relax naturally. I let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After resting, I remove the plastic wrap. The dough has relaxed nicely, as you can see. I cut the dough into 12 equal portions. I prefer to keep the portions slightly large. I lightly brush each portion with a bit of oil. Then I cover them again and let them rest for another 15 minutes. This second rest helps them relax even more. After resting, I take the first dough ball. I add the 4 tablespoons of flour to melted butter. I also add a little oil to keep the butter soft. I mix this butter and flour mixture well. This recipe does not require baking powder or extra ingredients. Now I start stretching the dough. I focus on thinning the edges evenly. I spread the butter and flour mixture over the dough. I spread it evenly like this. I shape the dough into a rectangle and cut it. Then I start folding it step by step. I fold it carefully like this. Then I bring the dough inward. I continue folding until it forms a square. I set it aside and repeat with the remaining dough. Once all the pieces are ready, I move on to cooking. I start cooking the first msemen. I lightly grease the surface and flatten the msemen. At the same time, the pan is heating up. I add a small amount of oil to the pan. I place the msemen gently into the pan. The heat should be medium for even cooking. The msemen is cooked, so I prepare the next one. I add a little oil again. Then I place the msemen back into the pan. I add a little oil on top and flip it. You can see how nicely it puffed up and layered. I continue cooking the rest the same way. Here is the final result. I open one piece to show you the inside. The inside is beautifully layered and soft. Made only with fine flour, it tastes delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.